I got an air fryer, and I finally got this from Amazon. So let's unbox the air fryer. So oh my gosh, I think I'll have to put it on. Let me try it. The wire is not that long. So that's the inside. So I'm trying to figure out how to oh! Oh yeah, this is how it works. Okay. So you can detach this, which I was thinking to do. It comes with a 2-year guarantee or warranty, and yeah, that's the manual. By the way, it's a 5.5 liter basket, and then of course it has menus in different languages. So it's time to try this air fryer with plantain. So let's fry plantain. So here is the final look. These 3 plantain were the ones I did in the air fryer, and while these 2 ones were the ones I fried with oil in the pan. So these are the 3. Look at the difference. They taste absolutely the same, and it's healthier. So thank you. What do you guys think? Let me know. Bye.